Welcome to Paulstoolbox. Today I have a quick little tip. On your caulk, you will take your caulk and put a little angle on it, just like this. Nothing special. After that, I'm going to show you an easy way to run your caulk without making a mess. You see your cut? You'll put that down. Once you do that, take your finger and push on there. And what we're going to do is just run right along the wall, because this crack will get filled up by your finger pressing on it. So you're gonna push down with pressure, keeping it down, and you're gonna fill that crack up, and it's gonna be real tight. So I'll squeeze it a little bit, get it going. Once I get it going, see a tiny bit there? No problem, come back, run it right on. Now instead of having a blob on your wall, all you have is this.
For more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Also, ring the bell so you can get notifications anytime I have new videos.